Did you know that every month there are hundreds of people searching online for a dentist in your area? Do you know how many of these people are actually making it into your office? Even if you have a website that has a good ranking on the search engines, if you don't capture their attention right away and get them to know, like, and trust you, you're going to lose business to your competitors that also have websites listed on the search engines because they're only one click away. The best and most powerful way to engage with someone that's on your website is with a video. Hi, my name is Scott Wesley, founder of the Internet Video Guys. We teach medical professionals how to get more leads off of the internet by using videos. By far, the most powerful way to quickly engage a potential patient on your website is with a video. You can set your office apart from the competition by introducing your team, showing some testimonials, and convincing them that your office is the best choice for them. Showing videos on your website will give you an enormous advantage over your competition. Here's a quick testimonial from one of our clients.
Videos definitely work, and they're a great way to enhance your business and market your business. It's the wave of the future. Scott with the Internet Video Guys specializes in the medical professional field for optimizing your business with videos, your website, social media, anything that you're looking for to get your business presence on the web out there. Our office was definitely non-existent on searching for certain things in our area, and by doing videos with the Internet Video Guys, we became known in a matter of days on the second page at the very top regarding just certain searches. So we're very happy with the outcome that we have. Definitely the product that you get is very professional. Scott's absolutely wonderful with the team, very patient, guides you in the right direction, and just has some great suggestions and changes that he can offer to your business. So I would absolutely recommend him to anybody in the medical professional field for anything related to videos, internet optimization, and your website presence.
If you have a few minutes, I'd love to sit down with you and talk to you about how we can convert these people that are searching online into your new clients. Please give me a call today at 904-484-8992. And if you'd like to see samples of our videos, visit us online at theinternetvideoguys.com.